Hi everyone, today we have a math Olympiad problem. When you see my trick, you will be able to solve this problem. Most of the students mess this up. Are you ready? The question is we need to prove that a over b plus c plus b over c plus a plus c over a plus b is greater than or equal to 3 by 2 for positive real number a, b and c. Pause the video and try it yourself. Now I'm going to solve this problem. First of all, I'm going to rewrite a over b plus c, that will be equal to a square over a into b plus c. Similarly, I can rewrite b over c plus a in the form of b square over b into c plus a. And the last one is c over a plus b, that can be written like that, c square over c into a plus b. Now I'm going to write the summation form, so I can write summation a over b plus c is equal to summation a square over a into b plus c. Now I'm going to apply a lemma, which is Tito's lemma, which says summation xi whole square over yi greater than or equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole square over y1 plus y2 plus y3. So when I apply this lemma, I'm going to get summation a square over a into b plus c is greater than or equal to a plus b plus c whole square over a into b plus c plus b into c plus a plus c into a plus b. Now I can further simplify this. We know that I can expand the denominator. When I do that, I am going to get ab plus ac plus bc plus ab plus ac plus bc. When we further simplify this, we are going to get 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. This means I can substitute this value on the right side of the inequality. When I do that, I am going to get A plus B plus C whole square over 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Now I'm going to simplify the numerator. For this, we know that a plus b plus c whole square is greater than or equal to 3 into ab plus bc plus ca. The reason is we know that a square plus b square plus c square is greater than or equal to ab plus bc plus ca. Now I'm going to substitute the value on the right side of the inequality. When I substitute, I will get 3 into AB plus BC plus CA over 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. The like terms will cancel with each other, so we are going to get 3 by 2. This means we have A over B plus C plus B over C plus A plus C over A plus B, which is greater than or equal to 3 by 2. So we just proved that. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question, please write that question in the comment. Thank you.